Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by mapping what you already have and what you need. Run a backlink audit to identify quality sources, toxic links, and anchor text gaps, then prioritize fixes. Once done, ensure your site is crawlable with correct 300 ones and canonical tags, because outreach wastes time if pages can't be indexed. Simultaneously, build 3 to 5 cornerstone pages, targeting clear user intent, so you have valuable targets that make people want a link to you. You now move into active link building. Start by segmenting prospects into relevance tiers and noting why each would benefit from your asset. Then, craft concise, personalized outreach messages that explain the value, suggest an exact placement, and include a polite follow-up schedule. Don't spray and pray. At the same time, publish linkable assets like original data, tools, or visual guides. Make sure each asset includes easy-to-copy snippets and clear attribution language to reduce friction for linkers. You finish by scaling and safeguarding gains. Set up weekly tracking for new links, referral traffic, and ranking shifts so you catch trends early. Once you see repeatable wins, scale with partnerships, guest contributions, hero queries, and broken link reclamation. Maintain strict quality standards to avoid dilution. If rankings drop or you suspect toxic links, act fast, re-audit backlinks, use targeted disavows only when necessary, and contact webmasters to remove bad links. This single troubleshooting move often restores momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.